Now we go for the automatic. Okay, first is auto pilot, fill plot, and second is mission plan. You have a mission plan, you can upload here. There is no option to do and execute a new plan. So we select the fill plot. Okay, there are 4 options. First is RC mobile. You go make a plan with the center of plot area with the help of RCN mobile and through RCN mobile. If you want to do for the drone also, you can do same thing with the RC mobile.
So in drone, just we have to fly.
Yes.
Physical harassment is.
Flying time it will not take. No, if I fly drone like
Yes, you make a plot with the help of drone.
we have to carry drone. Or we can
Yes,
fly?
carry.
Oh,
not fly. Will fly after the upload of mission, na?
No. For
First,
creating
you
mission,
have to create the plan with the help of drone.
You have to carry the drone
By hand or by flying?
By hand.
by hand.
Yes.
By flying.
How to fly?
मतलब सर
Make a plan.
उसको
If you want to do, you can do.
करने के लिए
There are 2 options.
And
हाँ.
then you can set from the
आरसी मोबाइल तो ठीक है चलो
चल
Only
अगर
two.
इसी प्लान
You
को
can
बनाना है
use only
plot
that.
को, तो आप ड्रोन लेकर प्लॉट सेट करोगे तभी तो बनेगा. अब ऐसे नहीं बनेगा
तो
ना.
सब फ्लाई करके तो दे सकते हैं फ्लाई करके नहीं दे सकते
कैसे दोगे? फिर ऑटोमेशन वो थोड़ी ना आएगा. फिर तो मैनुअल है
मैनुअल हो जाएगा
semi automatic.
है ना. सेमी
बेटर है
ऑटोमेटिक.
कि वही
हाँ. तो थर्ड इज
बेस्ट
बेस्ट.
रखेगा के लिए
No, first, before doing the mission,
हाँ.
we can fly to the endpoints of all
No, you
four.
cannot fly.
You
hold
don't have connected
the drone
Bluetooth or
on your
Wi-Fi.
head.
उस कंडीशन के
Yeah,
लिए.
correct, right? So, for example, Bluetooth is only restricted to 200 meters. If we need 1.5 kilometer,
हाँ तो you have to use
Wi-Fi.
UCP ना Wi-Fi.
UDP,
Wi-Fi,
UDP,
how to
UDP
connect
and
to
TCP
GCS.
you can use.
Wi-Fi and Bluetooth
हाँ,
connectivity up to 1 kilometer.
only to the GCS, not to the drone.
No.
So GCS will
GCS
communicate
with
with
Drone.
ड्रोन
Okay. तो make a plan, set a fill plot. The first point is to be add.
We have to use Wi-Fi.
We can use.
John, your mobile
If you want.
Wi-Fi, that's all.
Second plot is here point, and third is
चलो ये कैसे किया?
okay. Now we select the point with the help of finger. Okay.
बहुत ज़्यादा बेसिक हो गया सर
First, हाँ you use your finger no.
तो फिंगर ही करना
add plan. You have to press add.
Add first
Point.
is add point. If you want to use second point, okay, then add point. Okay, done. And third point is here. Fourth point is here. Okay. Now is 4th point. You have to save first. Project name. What do you want?
Hitler.
हिटलर
नमस्ते.
RK. Plot name is RK. Then create a plan.
सेव
सेव किया था कि नहीं किया था?
नहीं
हाँ
सर
हो
सेव
गया
किया
था।
था जब तो प्रोजेक्ट में
हाँ,
आया
किया
ठीक
था
है।
मतलब आप पहले नहीं किया था अभी करना होगा.
हाँ. Then so is do you want to use a save card? So,
नो
no. कर दो. Okay. Then a fill plot is already on. Okay. Then the where it changes it. First spray rate.
So ये
You
क्या
can
है?
change.
ये क्या है सर?
You can start from 10 to 100. By default is showing it's 10%. You can change it as per your requirement. कि कितना आपको स्प्रे देना है. ठीक है. Altitude you should for the
According
crop height
to-
you can say the crop height या फिर
1.5
उससे
मीटर.
आपके इसके ग्राउंड के लेवल को मेजर कर सकते हो मीटर में.
सर राइस का कैसे करना है राइस?
राइस का
राइस तो इसका
4 meter is sufficient.
फिर यहाँ से
हाँ, last is sufficient. You can from the rise 2.5 meters. 2.5 meter.
5.5 meters.
Okay. Flight speed not more than 3 meter per second. Okay. Fence boundary you can change it.
Fence boundary.
Yes.
Geofencing.
Geofencing. ठीक है. Okay. Fine. Then go for the other. Then waypoint. You can change if you want. Select the point and change the. Okay. Now if you want to change here. Okay. 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 Now it's correct. Angle. Third is spacing.
Drone किससे जाना?
कितना क्रॉप किस डिस्टेंस कितना तो वो आपको ये यूज करना है. ठीक. तो
ये स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है.
हाँ?
स्टैंडर्ड स्पेसिंग
6 meter.
नहीं 6 मीटर. 6 मीटर is sufficient.
6 standard.
6 meter.
We taken depends
No,
upon
it depend
how
on the
farmer-
crop size. No, there's no
Depend upon the
standard
height and crop.
crop.
how farmer wanted to place his.
If you get more height, spray will be broader.
Okay. Now is okay. Spacing is done. Indentation means अगर लास्ट क्रॉप की हाइट या फिर कोई बड़ा कोई ऑब्स्टिकल वो खेत में आ रहा है या कोई प्लॉट में आ रहा है तो यू कैन चेंज द हेल्प ऑफ द इंडेंटेशन. कैसे? उसकी स्पेसिंग को और बढ़ाने के लिए. ऐसे
अंदर में एक ऑब्स्टिकल है.
यू कैन चेंज इट.
So, for example, if we are changing the space, and this we have to do manually.
या यू कैन
the
आल्सो
last
डू
one.
द मैनुअल.
The one circle to the
हाँ, हाँ,
borders,
you
we
can
have to
do.
do
There is
manually.
a obstruction also. You can remove the obstruction with the help of this.
Okay.
Okay. Set the obstruction. They fly like this. Go like this.
I will show you next. Okay. Now it's correct.
Yes, sir.
If you want plant splitting means अगर आपको प्लांट को स्प्लिट करना है डोंट हैव अ मच बैटरी है ना सो यू कैन मतलब स्प्लिट द प्लांट
डिवाइड हो जाएगा वो.
हाँ डिवाइड हो जाएगा
Divide.
2 पार्ट में. देयर आर 2 पार्ट मोशन. फर्स्ट में सपोज
50%.
हाँ 50% 66% है इसको 50%
Okay, 50%.
तो देयर 3 वे पॉइंट टू डू स्प्रे है. अब ये जो 2 स्प्रे है ना देयर 2 स्प्रे विल नॉट बी स्प्रे आफ्टर देन यू
You have to change the battery,
Battery?
from there.
फिर से ऑटोमेटिक
Okay.
कमांड ले लेगा वहाँ से.
हाँ.
उसी
फिर
से स्टार्ट करेगा वो पॉइंट
execute
से.
करोगे. Just like a crystal ball, we are fixing
ये
the
option
rally
का-
point na,
हाँ.
or RTH for changing the battery. That is
Okay.
Same thing,
But
same
once it reaches, if I press RTL on this,
Yeah.
it will come automatically to
Yeah.
location.
yes we'll show you. Okay, so I'll leave it. Now save plan name. Okay, now save and load.
सर इसमें ऑब्स्टिकल सर्कल अपन वो आता था वो
अभी
बीच में.
आएगा आएगा.
अच्छा वो
अभी next one is
आएगा.
no?
Next exercise.
Next exercise.
Oh my God, you are recording. Send it to me also. Huh?
No, if you record, then I
I
will
will
send
send
it.
in group. What?
I might send to your dream. I think.
No, not required. Just send it to me. I will send in group.
Starting motor test.
Better to send to group.
Yeah.
I think.
You understand slightly.
Yeah.
रिकॉर्डर चालू करना
You can
चाहिए
pause.
इसमें. मोबाइल
Nothing
स्क्रीन
is there
रिकॉर्डर.
here. There only. You
Oh,
can
yeah,
pause.
I
वो ज़्यादा